everyone, welcome to the session. In this session we will take up coding and decoding questions of which are very important for TS ICET and AP ICET. From this topic 10 questions are expected. From the area of coding decoding 10 questions are expected in TS ICET as well as in AP ICET. Let's move to the first set. It is one of the important model. The letters of the English alphabet are arranged around a circle in a clockwise direction and are coded as follows. English alphabet letters are arranged around a circle in a clockwise direction and are coded as follows. A consonant is coded as, now we have given some conditions. కొన్ని conditions ఇచ్చారు. ఎలాంటి conditions ఇచ్చారు? A consonant is coded as fifth consonant from it in anti-clockwise direction. A consonant is coded as fifth consonant from it in the anti-clockwise direction. A vowel is coded as third vowel from it in the clockwise direction. Here we have given clockwise direction and earlier we have given anti-clockwise direction, and it is a fifth consonant and it is a third vowel. So consonants are coded separately and vowels are coded separately. Consonant is coded to fifth consonant in anti-clockwise direction. Vowel is coded to third vowel in clockwise direction. Reverse process is used for decoding. Using this coding decoding we have to answer the 5 questions. Okay, so what actually the procedure is? It's quite simple. Let us take the English alphabet. Let us consider the English alphabet set. Just we'll write the consonants first. So though they mention it is in a circular form, it is not required. Let us write in the linear form. This will be fine. Consonants are starting from B. Okay, let's start from B. B, C, D, F. Just we are writing the consonants. G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the consonants from A to Z. Just we skip the vowels. And what is the condition given for consonant? A consonant is coded as fifth consonant from it in anti-clockwise direction. So what is the code for B? These are the letters. These are letters. Now we have to find the codes for these letters. And a consonant is coded as fifth consonant from it in anti-clockwise direction. అంటే ఒక కాన్సనెంట్ ఫిఫ్త్ కాన్సనెంట్గా కోడ్ అయిందంట. ఏ డైరెక్షన్లో? యాంటీ క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్లో. మీకు తెలుసు ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఆర్ సైక్లిక్ ఇన్ నేచర్. బీకి యాంటీ క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్లో ఫిఫ్త్ కాన్సనెంట్ ఏముంది? క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్ అంటే ఇలా వెళ్తుంది, యాంటీ క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్ అంటే ఇలా వెళ్తుంది. సో యాంటీ క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్లో బీకి నెక్స్ట్ లెటర్ ఏంటి? జెడ్, సెకండ్ లెటర్ వై, థర్డ్ లెటర్ ఎక్స్, ఫోర్త్ లెటర్ డబ్ల్యూ, ఫిఫ్త్ లెటర్ వి. అంటే బి ఈజ్ కోడెడ్ యాజ్ వి. వెరీ సింపుల్ కదా. బి ఈజ్ కోడెడ్ యాజ్ వి. నో వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద లెటర్ ఫర్ కోడ్ ఫర్ సి. Anti-clockwise direction. C is also consonants. These are all consonants. Consonants ki code enti? Fifth consonant from it in anti-clockwise direction. So C nunchi anti-clockwise lo fifth letter enti? First letter is B, second letter is Z, third letter is Y, fourth letter is X, fifth letter is W. So W. D nunchi fifth letter in anti-clockwise. First letter is C, second letter is B, third letter is Z, fourth letter is Y, fifth letter is X. So D is coded as X, B is coded as V, C is coded as W, D is coded as X. F nunchi fifth letter ఏంటి anti-clockwise లో? First letter is D in anti-clockwise, second is C, third is B, fourth is Z, fifth is Y. So F is coded as Y. So F is coded as Y. Next, see if you observe that, what is the pattern it is following? From here onwards, from starting from V, we are writing the letters consecutively. We have considered the consonants, we are writing the consonants consecutively. If you want to observe it, what are the codes of V? and then we taken W, and we taken X, and we taken Y. So what will be next? Z. If you want, verify it. From the G, anti-clockwise fifth letter. First letter is F, second letter is D, third letter is C, fourth letter is B. So fifth letter is Z. Yes, taken as it is. Now what will be next after Z? So after Z, what is next? Code. Let's check it. H. We are trying to find the code for H. Fifth letter from it in anti-clockwise. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. What is the fifth letter? B. So after Z, B. So what will be next automatically? C, D, F. No need to find. No need to do every time. Directly, once you are able to identify the logic, you can write it consecutively. B, C, D, F, and then G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. We started from V, writing the codes, and we ended up with T. Right. So these how the letters, consonants are coded. Now we have to discuss about the vowels also. Let us write vowels. A, E, I, O, U. What is the logic given for vowels? Logic came picture vowels ki third vowel from it in clockwise direction. So A vowel. Then ki third clockwise enti, third letter from clockwise enti. First letter, second letter, third letter. And A ki code enti O. E ki code enti first letter, second letter, third letter U. And I ki code enti first letter, second letter. After U again which vowel will comes? A. So third letter is A. And O ki first letter enti U, second letter again A, third letter again E. So I. Now U ki enti first letter is A, second letter is E, third letter is O. So once again we'll cross check it. A ki first clockwise, second clockwise, third clockwise is O. It is absolutely matching. E ki first, second, third, absolutely matching U. I ki first clockwise, second clockwise, third clockwise. ఒకవేళ సైకిల్లో తీసుకుంటే సైక్లిక్ ఫామ్లో తీసుకుంటే ఏ ఈ ఐ ఓ యు కదా. ఏకి థర్డ్ క్లాక్ వైజ్ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్, సెకండ్, థర్డ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓ. సో ఏ ఈజ్ కోడెడ్ యాజ్ ఓ. ఈకి థర్డ్ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్, సెకండ్, థర్డ్. సో ఈకి కోడ్ యు. ఐకి థర్డ్ క్లాక్ వైజ్ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ క్లాక్ వైజ్, సెకండ్ క్లాక్ వైజ్, థర్డ్ క్లాక్ వైజ్. ఐకి ఏ. నెక్స్ట్ ఓకి కోడ్ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ క్లాక్ వైజ్, సెకండ్ క్లాక్ వైజ్, థర్డ్ క్లాక్ వైజ్. దట్ ఈస్ ఈ. ఇక్కడ మనం మిస్టేక్ చేసాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈ. నెక్స్ట్ యూకి ఏంటిది? ఫస్ట్ క్లాక్ వైజ్, సెకండ్ క్లాక్ వైజ్, థర్డ్ క్లాక్ వైజ్. ఐ. యూ ఈజ్ కోడెడ్ యాజ్ ఐ. ఐ. సో ఓ యూ ఏ ఈ ఐ. సో దిస్ హౌ ద కాన్సనెంట్స్ ఆర్ coded. Right? I'll explain you vowels once again. Listen carefully. If vowels are taken in a clockwise direction in a circle, A, E, I, O, U. So from A, third vowel from it in clockwise direction. First vowel, second vowel, third vowel. So A is coded as O. For E, third vowel, first vowel, second vowel, third vowel. So E is coded as O. For I, third vowel, first is O, second is U, third is A. So I is coded as A. A, first, second, okay, E, for E code is U, right? Okay, I is A. And for O, first clockwise, second clockwise, third clockwise. For O code is E. And for U code, first clockwise, second clockwise, third clockwise. So U code is I. Okay? Now, let's answer the questions. No need to copy this. I have given a separate table for this. Now the question is the code word for place. The code word for place. What is the code for P? J. Code for P is J. What is the code for L? F. How many options are with JF? Second and fourth option. So first and second are ruled out. Now, what is the code for A? O. So your answer is JFO. It is in choice 4. It is enough. In the exam, till here it is enough. No need to find the codes for remaining letters. Okay. Now move to the next question. The code word for kingdom. Again the code word for kingdom. What is given? We need to find the code. What is the code for K? According to this set, K is coded as D. I is coded as A. D A. And N is coded as H. D A H. How many options are with D A H? Second option is ruled out. Third option is ruled out. 1 or 4. Okay. What is the code for G? Code for G is Z. D A H Z. D A H Z. It is ruled out. So D A H Z. Choice 4 is your answer. ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇక్కడ వరకు ఆపేయండి, ఇంకా చాలు. మీకు టైం సేవ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఒకే ఆప్షన్ అవైలబుల్ ఉంది, అదే మీ ఆన్సర్. ఇంకా now answer the next question. The string of letters that is coded as color. The string of letters that is coded as color. అంటే మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? వర్డ్ కోడ్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇంతకుముందు క్వశ్చన్స్లో ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? వర్డ్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ అండ్ దే ఆస్క్ us to find the code. But in this question, code is given and they are asking us to find the word. So we need to find it in a reverse approach, decoding. So these are letters and these are codes. So we need to find it in a reverse approach. Color. C is coded to which letter? J. So your answer starts with J. C is coded to J. C is coded to J. Right. Now what is next? O. Which is coded as O? A. So your answer must start with J A. There is only one option, second option. So first, third and fourth are ruled out. Only one option is available. Your answer is second option. If you want to check the remaining letters, L. L ki code enti? R. L is coded as R. What is the code for O? Which is coded as O? A is coded as O. So A. Which is coded as U? E is coded as U. We are finding in reverse approach, decoding. It is decoding because code is given and asking us to find the word. So we need to find it in a reverse approach. Now which is coded as R? Which is coded as R? Check the consonants. Yes, here. X. X is coded as R. J A R A E X. Choice 2. వర్డ్ ఇచ్చి కోడ్ కనుక్కోమంటే ఇలా కనుక్కోవాలి. కోడ్ ఇచ్చి వర్డ్ కనుక్కోమంటే రివర్స్లో కనుక్కోవాలి. Now move to the next question. The letter which is coded as, again, so we have given a code, we have to find the word or letter. What is the code given? N. So reverse approach. Which is coded as N? T. T. Choice 3. Right? Now move to the next question. The code word for graphic. The code word for graphic. So word is given. They are asking us to find the code. What is the code for G, Z? How many options are with Z? Only 2 options. Third one and fourth one are ruled out. Next. What is the code for R? L. Z, L. So only first option is available. So your answer is first option. That's it. In the exam you don't need to check further. That is absolutely time waste. Okay. Now move to the next set. 6 to 10. Answer the questions based on the following table containing digit or symbol codes for some letters and the rules stated below. Letters ఏమి ఇచ్చారు మనకి? R, E, Q, U, S, T, so on. And what are the codes given? Star, 3, 5, 1, question mark and so on. So R code is star, E code is 3, Q code is 5, U code is 1, S code is T code is question mark, and so on. Now, what are the rules given? If the first 10 letters of a word, you will be given a word, you will be given one word. If in the word first letter and last letter are vowels, so first is vowel and last is also vowel, then the codes of these two letters are interchanged. So these two letters codes will be interchanged. What about the remaining letters in the word? They didn't mention any rule regarding that, so that will be taken as it is as per the given table. It is the first rule. It is rule number 1. What is the rule number 2 is given? If the first and last letters of the word are consonants, same, first letter and last letter are consonants, and it is a consonant and it is also consonants, then they are replaced by the symbol %. So these two consonants are replaced by the symbol %. What about the remaining letters in the word? The condition is given for first and last. What about the remaining letters? Will be taken as per the table. Will be taken as per the table. What is the next? If two vowels appear together in a word, then they are replaced by the symbols or digits that come previous to the vowels in the chart. Okay. ఇది కొంచెం ట్రికీగా ఉంది. If two vowels appear together, okay, two vowels appear together ante, let's take an example. What is the example we will take? I have taken a word dew. Dew is one of the word. Dew is one of the word. Now in this word, first letter is consonant, second letter is vowel. So first rule is not applicable. And in this one, first is consonant, last is vowel. This rule is not applicable. These two rules are applicable only when first and last are vowels and first and last are consonants. Now what is the third rule? If two vowels appear together, so U and E are appearing together, అప్పుడు కోడ్ ఏమంటున్నారు? Then they are replaced by the symbols or digits. అంటే ఈ రెండింటిని సింబల్స్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. సింబల్స్ ఆర్ డిజిట్స్. ఏ సింబల్స్ ఆర్ డిజిట్స్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి? దట్ కమ్ ప్రీవియస్ టు ద వోవెల్స్ ఇన్ ద చార్ట్. యూకి ముందున్న లెటర్ ఏంటి? దట్ కమ్ ప్రీవియస్ టు ద వోవెల్స్. ఇవి రెండు వోవెల్స్. యూ ఈజ్ అ వోవెల్, ఈ ఈజ్ అ వోవెల్. యూ వోవెల్కి ప్రీవియస్ లెటర్ ఏంటి? ప్రీవియస్ లెటర్ ఏంటి? క్యూ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్యూ కోడ్? 5. సో యూ ఈజ్ కోడెడ్ యాజ్ 5. ఈ చార్ట్లో ఈకి ముందున్న లెటర్ ఏంటి? ప్రీవియస్ లెటర్ ఆర్. ఆర్కి కోడ్ ఏంటి? స్టార్. సో ఈ ఈజ్ కోడెడ్ యాజ్ స్టార్. ఐ హోప్ యూ క్లియర్. If two vowels appear together in a word, then they are replaced by the symbols or digits that come previous to that vowels. అంటే యూకి ముందు లెటర్, ఈకి ముందు లెటర్ in this chart, not according to the English alphabet. It is according to this chart. Okay? Now let's go to the questions. I hope you are clear with the conditions. Right. What is the given word is? Request. Now let us try to apply the rule. According to that, first and last letters R and T are consonants. R and T are consonants. So those two has to be replaced by a what? Symbol and percent. So and percent and percent, because R and T are consonants. So first and last letters of the word are consonants. They are replaced by the symbols. But we have one more rule. If two vowels appear together in a word, is in the word request, do we have two consecutive vowels? Yes. U and E. These are U and E appeared consecutively together. Two vowels appeared together in a word. Then how they are coded? They are coded with their previous letters. U previous letter is what? Q. So what is the Q code? 5. So U code is 5. Next E. E ki previous letter enti? R. So E is coded as star. Now the conditions are done. Now remaining letters E, Q, S will be taken as it is. First and last letters are consonants. So we taken as per the consonants and percent and %. Two vowels are together, then they are replaced by the codes of the previous letters. That is also done. Now remaining letters. What is the code for E? 3. What is the code for Q? 5. These I am taking as per the table directly. Code for the Q is 5 and code for the E is 3. We are taking as per the table. What is the code for S? At the rate. So which option is available? And %355 star at the rate and %. Choice 3. So your answer is choice 3. Clear? Now move to the next question. What is the code for use case? What is the code for use case? Now here, first one is a vowel, last one is a vowel. So if they are vowels, those codes to be first of all interchanged. Those two codes should be interchanged. What is the code for U? What is the code for U? 1. So that should be written at the last. That should be written at the last. 1. 1 is here. Alright? Use case. So these two are vowels. So interchange. U code is 1. What is E code? 3. So they are interchanged. Do we have any two vowels together? S, E, C, E, C, C, A, A, S? No. So remaining all will be taken as it is. Remaining all will be taken as it is. What is the code for S? At the rate. What is the code for E? First of all, how many options are starting with 3 and ending with 1? First option is ruled out, third option is ruled out. Only second and fourth option. Right. And what is the code for E is 3. 3 at the rate 3. We have only second option. Fourth option is also ruled out. So your answer is second option. If you want, you can find the code for remaining letters, but in the exam it is not required. Move to the next question. The code for slitting is SLITTING. First is a consonant, last is also consonant. So second condition is applicable. So they are replaced by and %. Do we have any vowels together? LIITTIII. Okay. No, it is also T, right? Slitting. That is T. Right. Slitting. So no vowels are together. No two vowels are together. So remaining all the letters are taken as per the table. How many options are starting with and a % and ending with and %? First option yes. Third option no. Second option yes. Fourth option no. Now our answer should be one among these. Right. What is the code for L? Code for T? Question mark. Code for T question mark and question mark. T and T. So question mark and question mark. Okay. Question mark and 7 is there. So second option is ruled out. My answer is first option. Choice 1. Okay. Now move to the next question. The code for beneficial. BENEFICIAL. Now first is a consonant, last is a consonants. Again second rule. If the first and last letters of a word are consonant, they are replaced by s and %. So and % and %. How many options are starting and ending with and %? First option, second option, third option is ruled out, fourth option. Okay, we have 3 options. Do we have any vowels together? EN? No. NE, EF, FI, IC, CA, IA? Yes. These two are the vowels which are together. Then, if vowels appear together in a word, they are replaced by the symbols or digits that come previous to vowel, that vowel. What is the I before letter? L. So, what is the code for L? And %. So, I is coded as %. What is the, where is the A here? What is the A previous letter? C. So C is coded as cap. So last 3 should be %, cap and %. How many are there? %, cap and %. Only one option, fourth option. So first option and second option are ruled out. So you have only one answer, that is fourth option. You don't need to find the remaining. If you want, we'll find it. No. What are the remaining letters? Remaining letters are not applicable with any other rules. So we will be taking as it is. What is the code for E? 3. What is the code for N? $. What is the code for E? 3. What is the code for F? O or 0. F is 0. I is 7. C is cap. This is perfectly matching with choice 4. Okay. Move to the next question. The code for controllable. 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 First and last are vowels? No. So first condition is not applicable. First and last are consonants? No. Second is also not applicable. Okay. Let's check the third rule. Do we have any two vowels together? Let's check it. CONNT, TR, RO, OL, LL, LA, AB, BL, LE. No. So third rule is also not applicable. It does not belong to any rule. So it will be taken as it is as per the chart. What is the code for C? Cap. How many options are starting with cap? Second option ruled out. Fourth option ruled out. What is the code for O? Plus. Cap plus. Cap plus. What is the code for N? $. $. And $. What is the code for T? Question mark. Question mark and question mark. What is the code for R? Star. 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 What is the code for O? Plus. Here we have percentage. So first option is ruled out and here we have the plus. So what is the possible answer? Third option. So only one choice is matching with that. Choice 3. Okay. Right. So that's it for this session. I hope you understood the coding and decoding, and these steps are very important. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ వస్తే కనుక info@timeforeducation కి మెయిల్ చేయండి. విల్ రిప్లై ఫర్ దట్. ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.